Here we go.
What we're trying to figure out is whether or not this is going to be a little bit more mainstream.
But this is all popular delusion, nerd money.
What can you do with a Bitcoin?
How does a self-sustaining economy work?
What is the inherent value of a Bitcoin?
What is money?
The money keeps moving in a circle.
Hey, listen, I quit.
I say when we sell.
We'll take 50 million.
Who understands this stuff?
Bitcoin futures.
What is happening?
I looked at them, and I thought, oh, what a beautiful thing, because maybe one day it'll be like that. You know what I'm saying? Maybe one day it will be that.